Today we're going to learn how to make a blank book out of a single piece of paper. This is what your book is going to look like. So you can see that there's a few pages. You can see it's nice and pocket size, so you can take it with you places. Maybe you want to go on a walk around your neighborhood and sketch some of the things you see in nature. Maybe you want to do a mini story and you can write and illustrate inside of it. Maybe you want to practice some of our drawing activities in it and make it a little sketchbook. So the only things you need for this project are going to be a piece of paper, and I'm just using some copy paper, but you could also use some cardstock or construction paper, and you need a pair of scissors. All right, let's get started. We're going to start with our paper vertical, and we're going to fold it in half side to side so we end up with a tall paper. Next, we're going to fold it in half again from top to bottom this time. Make sure you line up those corners so you have an even fold. Then we're folding it in half one more time from top to bottom. Make sure you press down on those folds so you have a nice crisp crease. When you open it up, you should have 8 rectangles on your paper. Next, you're going to fold that paper in half from top to bottom, and you're going to cut on the little yellow line on the diagram. So make sure that you're cutting on the folded side and not the open side. You're going to cut along the crease halfway down the paper. When you open it back up, turn it horizontal and fold it hot dog style. Finally, you're going to take the two sides and push them together, and you'll notice that it's starting to make the middle of the paper fold outward. Grab your ends to kind of straighten it out, and then fold it in half, and you will end up with your nice little blank book. Since we're studying color, I decided to turn mine into a color sketchbook. I looked around to find objects of different colors and filled my pages with my drawings. Hope you have fun making your own book and filling it with your beautiful creations.